spot him there. I think we're safe. We have been asking viewers for questions, and they always come up with some unique ones. So let's begin with, let's see, who do we have here? Deborah? Her question, can we file a grievance against an organization that fails to maintain its obligations? Holding them to money is necessary in order to see an issue resolved.
Yeah, what I think she's asking is this is a contract issue. So some organizations agree to handle litigation, could be a homeowners association, etc. So if it's a breach of contract and it's in writing, you have 4 years to file a cause of action.
4 years.
2 years for an oral. And if it's in writing and there's an attorney's fees provision for prevailing parties, it's going to be relatively easy to find a lawyer. Because usually a contract attorney is going to charge a couple $100s an hour. So unless the money that is in question is a lot, you're going to end up spending more on an attorney than you're going to get back. And also there could be a liquidated damages clause in the contract which says, look, it's hard for us to understand how much you're entitled to, so we're going to put a number on it, like $10,000 if you prevail. And it's basically like a penalty clause. So I think it would be important to look at whether or not it's a written contract to see what's in it. If you have a prevailing attorney's fees and it's a breach of contract, then call a business attorney, and that would be the direction to go.
Okay. Next question here is from Beverly. She says, my son borrowed money from me and is now filing bankruptcy or financial reorganization. He is listing me as a creditor. Can I sever or fight being listed as a creditor to be repaid?
Yeah, so basically there's a couple different types of bankruptcy. There's Chapter 7, which is liquidation, and there's Chapter 13, which is reorganization. So unless your debt is secured, like a lien on property, or student loans, which are almost impossible to discharge, you're probably not a secured creditor. So the issue for you would be to determine whether or not he's abusing the bankruptcy process. They're going to look at 5 years of his average monthly income, and if he makes enough, they're going to say, look, you're abusing the process. We're going to take Chapter 7, put it into Chapter 13, and you're going to have to reorganize by liquidating your assets.
Oh, they go back 5 years.
5 years, because when you make sure, if you're filing for bankruptcy, you have to show that you're really, it's necessary. Because contracts are sacrosanct. And federal law just says, in some cases, we can reorganize them. If you remember what was going on in Stockton, and they were filing for bankruptcy, and they said, yeah, part of the bankruptcy process is renegotiating contracts. And the federal law supersedes state law via the supremacy clause.
Okay.
So
you're smart.
That will help your Jeopardy game, at least.
You must be fun to talk to a cocktail party.
Yeah, pretty much. So just last time I was here, Cal hadn't played USC, and neither did UCLA.
Yeah.
So 2 victories. Difficult to swallow every year, but congratulations. And
I know.
Colorado's in the same boat Cal is. So.
I just have the 3. USC is smiling. Colorado.
Yeah, any team that starts with C doesn't do too well.
Cal Bears, up and down.
Yeah.
Is Goff coming back next year as your quarterback?
I don't think so. He probably is going pro.
Bummer for you.
Yeah, but we're used to disappointment. we focus on the Nobel Prize winners.
There you go. There you go. Ooh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Always great to see you.
I know.
Like I know.
Thank you.
A little legal talk and some football talk.
Yeah, good to see you, Craig.
Nice to see you as well.
All righty.
All right, time now is 9:24 now. Queen Bee continues to slay.